Let's make Turkish style kebabs stir fry with Matar Pulao. When I say Turkish style kebabs, it means inspired by Turkish kebabs and not authentic Turkish kebabs. So please don't come after me and tell me that this is not authentic Turkish kebabs recipe. So I blended all the vegetables or make a paste, or you can just finely chop them. Add everything to the keema. Make sure to squeeze the water out from the grated potatoes because otherwise the mixture will be way too wet. It will be still wet, so if it is wet, add some plain all-purpose flour to it, just enough so you can shape the kebabs. I air fried them, but you can also shallow fry them. Now for matar pulao, make sure that you don't brown the onions. Now, if you live in the UK, bird's eye green peas are the best green peas ever, so I always use them. Then I added a vegetable stock to the masala as well, and I added milk as usual to the pulao water. It just makes a huge difference. So once the kebabs are air fried from one side, just flip them and just air fry them from the other side as well. Then I made a quick stir fry by adding some oil, onion, and chilies are optional. If you don't have sumac, just use lemon juice and it should taste almost the same. Sumac is easily available at Asda and Tesco, Sainsbury, and all the other Asian supermarkets. So you can just find it there as well. So when everything is ready, plate it up and enjoy.